How you guys doing? DSeanHD here, and welcome back to a brand new tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be teaching you guys how to actually code for free. So let's get started. So the website that we're going to be using is freecodecamp.org. Freecodecamp.org is a website in which it teaches you how to code for free. So that way you'll be able to get a job in the future, do some freelancing, and all of those good stuff. So the languages that it teaches is mostly web design, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all of that. So in order to get started, you just click on this that says sign in and get started. It's free. I've already done some of the lessons already, as you can see right here. So what you do is that when you start, you'll start right here in the curriculum, basic HTML and HTML5. It will give you an introduction to it, and then this will be your first lesson in which it would teach you the basics of HTML and HTML5, and then all you have to do really is just do a test. So it says your H1 element show the text hello world. So all you need to do is just do this and run the test, and then you will do it like that. Then afterwards you will continue doing it until you reach the end of it. Basically it's reach the end of it, and then you're basically done, and you can go do whatever you want with it afterwards. But they even have an online forum as well, so if you want to chat with other coders, then that's actually possible with that too. And they have a very active community. They even have news. So they have different news on different tech stuff and etc. Anyway, I think that's all I'm gonna say. So go to freecodecamp.org, learn how to code, and try and make some money and learn a new skill. See y'all next video. Peace.